This tutorial demonstrates how to create a new style in the CodeHarbor report engine. Starting from the dashboard, go to the Styles in the left menu. On this page you can, when available in your subscription, create a new style by clicking the New Style button. Firstly, name the style. In this example we will call it Company Style. When creating a report, you will find this name in your report styles. Next, you can upload your logo. This logo will be displayed on the front page of your reports. Once uploaded, you can use the built-in editor to create the perfect image. You can now set the font, size, and color of the report headers and content. The CodeHarbor report engine also allows you to choose numbering and/or header indents. You can now save your style or set additional options available at the top of the style settings. The PDF options allow you to set the form of the table of content and to show or hide disabled hosts in your reports. The graph options let you use the dark modus for graphics. Do mind, this option needs to be enabled on your Zabbix server. Just click Create, and your style is now ready for use. For more information, visit us on www.codeharbor.eu.